Yes, good evening to all. Okay, Naina, Divya, Shreya, Rishabh, Adit, Neha, Mrinalini, Sudanva, Preeti, Vishal. Good evening to all. Yes, so okay, Shreya, do you have any doubt? No. Okay. Nothing like that, Mrinalini. Yes, Prajwal, good evening. Yes, Ishan, good evening. Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay. So since it's a foundation class, I just have one question to ask you. Okay. So, 1 second, I'll just share my No, I don't know, Divesh. That I don't know, Preeti. You can ask to sir. Yes, Vibhav, good evening. Okay. Okay, no problem. Okay. So I have one thing to share. Okay. Mm, loudness of sound is measure is the SI unit is decibels beta. Acha. So what did you give the password? Okay. Yes. That is frequency SI unit. Hertz is frequency SI unit. So whenever you look into this picture, you have all the words which are very familiar to you, right? So each one of you, how will you join all these words and what is the result of all the steps that are mentioned? How will you join? I think they are not mentioned in a stepwise as of now, right? Okay. So all the things, goal, attitude, idea, support, performance, success and motivation. So how does these work in a row? Or if you have to arrange them from start to end, how do you arrange them? Everyone has to try this. How do you arrange all those words that are seen on the screen? What comes first, what comes next from the start to end? And in which you believe more? Whether you believe more in having a greater idea or setting a greater goal or having a proper attitude or performing. I want all the words arranged in a proper ascending order, not just one word you are sending. So Divesh says goal, motivation, performance, ideas, support, success, and then attitude. This is how he has arranged it. Rest of the people? So Snehal says it is attitude, idea, support, goals, performance, and success. Shreya says goal, attitude, idea, support, performance, and success. And Divesh says goal is more important, or he believes more in setting a proper goal. Okay, Mrinalini has sent its goal, idea, performance, motivation, attitude, support, and success. Okay. So for everyone, these are shuffle of words, right? For some, goal comes first, for some, idea comes first, for some, it's a motivation that comes first, right? So these things, however you arrange, finally they all lead to the success, right? So whatever you people have answered, whether it is Naina, Sujit, Sudanva, Mrinalini, Rishabh, Divyash, Shreya, Snehal. For everyone, success is at the last or just one before the last, right? Yes, even Neha has answered the same thing where success is at the last. So we can consider success as a result, correct? So whatever we have set goal or whatever the brightest idea we have, how much ever the support we have, whatever good attitude we keep up and perform 100%. So the end of these all things comes the success, right? So for everyone, the definition of success is different. Okay, for many, some of the people, the road becomes more important than the destination. For some people, it is the destination which becomes more important, right? So it depends on all those, their environment in which they are, correct? So I would say yes, Rohita, perfect. So Sumit and Rohita has also answered, and at the end, the success remains. So whenever you start a work, okay, that means you have set a goal, you have an idea what should be done, you have your mental attitude and physical attitude properly, okay, and enough support from all the people surrounding you, and you're performing 100%, that leads to the success. Then comes the question mark. Then what next? That is where your motivation will work out. Okay. Being one time successful and not motivating it for the next time, it will lead to one tag that you are lucky. Okay. One time if you become successful and next time you won't, because the motivation won't remain to set a proper goal, to have a proper attitude, to have that brightest idea, and also to perform 100%. If you do so, then you will be tagged with a tag called as luck, right? So my intention of showing this is 100% we all plan with one day motivation that we have to study this much, that much, we will divide the timing, we will do that, we will do this. One day we do also, very next day we do also, no issues in doing for the first time. But next day, one day you're successful, okay, you have set certain goals that you should study all these things in this time, you have a proper attitude of doing that, also you have an idea what should be revised, what should be done, you have enough support from the house also, and you have performed in that day with full 100%. So that day was successful. So keeping the same success rate tomorrow also, that is where the motivation comes. Okay. And motivation needs a very, very strong reason. Right? So whatever you study, how is that helpful? Why are you spending time on that? You should know it. Okay. There is nothing waste in what you study. Okay. And there is nothing burden in what you study. So once you know why are you doing this, that will keep you motivating every day. Okay, that will keep you motivating every day, and that motivation will bring back all the other 5 or 6 words whichever you are seeing into a proper organization, right? So that will motivate you. Okay, as I said before also, sometimes you may feel like, ma'am, there are certain subjects which we study might not be applicable in the near future. Okay, we always come across this question. I will tell you, whatever you find application, okay, to support that you have to study the other subjects which you might not find the application about, right? As you need support in whatever things you want to do, because support is also something which is mentioned here. Even your subject marks needs a support. that support is given by the rest of the other subjects which you don't find application about. Okay, so being motivated for what you are doing is the biggest success that one person can have. Doing the same thing repeatedly, okay, that will bring the success for a long run. Okay, this is what I wanted to share. Okay, yes, Vaishnavi, good evening. So keep yourself motivated for studying purpose. Okay, you are spending nearly right from the age of 5 or 6 till 19, 20, 21 we spend on the studies, right? So much time we are spending, that means we have to get a better result from that. Either it is should be in the form of a proper knowledge, it should be in the form of a proper eligibility. So whenever you step out, your knowledge and your eligibility will bring the other things like a proper job with a proper salary and all other things. Okay, until and unless you gain that knowledge and eligibility, we cannot survive outside. Okay, so always keep that attitude of getting motivated each day. As I said, people can motivate you only for a day or two, but only self motivation works. Otherwise, it's very, very difficult. Okay, so study well and also keep studying every day. Consistency is the one. If you ask any successful people on this earth, what did they do? They were consistent. You know that Thomas Alva Edison has found the 1000th experiment of Thomas Alva Edison was the when the bulb has glowed. So when someone asked him, he said 999 times I have tried, how the bulb will not glow. So those were the ways that you cannot glow the bulb. That is the confidence. That confidence comes from the self motivation. Okay. Yes. Very good, Divesh. Very good, Sujit. If someone is that inspiring and motivating, like how Sujit's mother is, then it's very, very good. Okay. Yes, Divesh. Correct. Okay, great then. Enjoy your class. Okay.
Okay. Yes. So I hope you can see me and hear me. Okay. So very nice. Good evening, all. Welcome to today's class. Okay. So that was an inspiring, session from Madam. Okay. So giving us some ideas. Okay. So about how we can be a best version of ourselves. Okay. So very nice. I hope you got motivated to some extent. Okay. So please, as Madam said, okay. So follow the things carefully. Consistency is important. Okay, so you are still at a very young age of 8th standard. You can develop these habits, which will definitely lead to success. Okay, so before it is too late. Okay, so because like once you come to 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th, okay, so time will just flow away. Okay, so you won't have that opportunity to develop the skills. Okay, so please follow everything what Madam has told, and you will see the difference, okay, in your results, okay, soon. Okay, so anyway, so good evening all. Okay, so there's a lot of messages. I had some other class as well. Okay, so Anyway, so good evening, everyone. So whoever has messaged, whoever did not message, okay, so everybody, welcome to today's class. Okay, so we'll get going. Okay, so we will first look at the plan. Okay, so this is the plan what I have for the next 45 minutes. Okay, so since yesterday, so we had this Gandhi Jayanti. So how many of you attended Gandhi Jayanti's Avanti quiz? Okay, so if you attended yesterday's Avanti quiz, you can click on the yes icon. Okay, so yesterday Avanti had conducted one quiz. Okay, so if you attended the quiz, you can click on the yes icon. Okay, so very nice. Good to see some of you have attended. Okay, some of you did not attend. Okay, so no problem. Okay, but anyways, okay, so what important thing, okay, I want you to understand, okay, is this, which I'll show you now.
Choose from lakhs.
This video was in Hindi, okay, was in English, okay, for you to understand better. Okay, but anyways, it was, very useful message was given in this video. Okay, if you could see, Gandhiji gave us independence. Okay, so we got freedom. But what are we doing with our country? Okay, that is really the sad part. Okay, so the question is, we can definitely make this, turn around. Okay, we can have some good morals. Okay, and you people can do a lot. Okay, so you can change everything. Okay, so the important thing here is that it's not just celebrating, okay, Gandhi Jayanti, but what exactly are we adopting, okay, the Gandhi's values or the good things, okay, that we have been given by our famous freedom fighters. Okay, so how well are we able to take care of our country? That is very, very important. Okay, so I hope you can follow some of the principles in your daily life and bring a change. Okay, so in this country, so you and I and every one of us can definitely do this. Okay, so that was the message. Okay, so that I wanted to give. Okay, so from this video. So I have another message. Okay, from Shastri ji. Okay, so yesterday was also the birth anniversary of Lal Bahadur Shastri ji, India's second Prime Minister. So I will show the video later. So now we'll continue with our topic of counting figures. So not yesterday, the previous class. Okay, so we were solving questions from the worksheet. So we will continue from that worksheet. So how many questions did we solve? Okay, so that we can, continue from the questions. Okay, so no, this is not yours. So counting figures. Okay, so I think we have done till question number 3. Okay, so or we completed question number 4. Okay, if you can type in the chat, okay, so that would be clear. You tell me which question we have to start. Okay, you tell sir, today we should start dash question. Okay, so that I have clarity. So we should start from question number 3. I think we have already done question number 3. So anyways, I'll just check my notes. Okay, so last class, September 25, 26. Okay, so this, like videos about Indian organization. So everything I will definitely continue. Okay, so in the next week. Okay, today I want to spend time on Gandhi ji as well as Lal Bahadur Shastri ji. Okay, so hence this industries, okay, best Indian organizations will continue again. Okay, so as you can see, last week we did revision of all the rules that we had learned, and we started with a worksheet. So question number 2 is over. Question number 3 is also obviously over. So question number 4 I had solved. Okay, so we wrote the answer also. Question number 4, you see here so many triangles, 32 triangles. Question number 4. So now question number 5 is what we should start. So I will write here question number 5. Okay, so now let's quickly see the question and try to understand what should we find in this question number 5. Counting figures, yes. So question number 5, they're asking us to find the number of triangles in the figure. Okay, which figure? The one that you can see here. Okay, so this figure, we should find the number of triangles. Okay, so we'll try to understand this figure carefully. So I will show this question again. So I will split my screen so that you can see both the question as well as the solution part. Okay, so options, you can just quickly see the options first. So there are 4 options: 26, 24, 20, and the last option is 22. Okay, so look at the options. So now let us first solve. So I will just give you some hint. Okay, so in the previous class, so we had already learned that if I have a square with the diagonals intersecting, so how many triangles will be there in this figure which I have done? Okay, so how many triangles will be there? So we have learned this in the last class itself. So there are 8 triangles in a square with diagonals, okay, which are intersected. Okay, the intersected diagonals, if you take like this, okay, the diagram A, B, C, D, O. Okay, in this there are 8 triangles. So you do not believe, last class we have already solved this. Okay, so you see I had already told you. Okay, so how many triangles are there and all that. Okay, so you see here. So if a square is there with the diagonals intersected, so we have 8 triangles. Okay, so you can clearly see how do we have 8 triangles. We have already done this, remember. Okay, so in this figure, the figure which is given in the question, so carefully notice what they have done here is that, okay, so I will do it over here also. In the question, I will darken my diagram. You see in the center, so there is a square with diagonals intersected. Okay, so I hope you can see. I have darkened the diagram. Okay, so what is that? That is a square with diagonals intersected. So already there are 8 triangles. Okay, so here you already have 8 triangles. Okay, so next I will complete this diagram like this. So inside there is a box. Okay, so hence this is the diagram which they have given in our question. So I will label this diagram so you have clarity. So I labeled my square with the diagonals as A, B, C, D, O. And I will write here one most important point. So 8 triangles. So that is because of the square with the diagonals. Okay, so there are already 8 triangles. So what are those 8 triangles? AOD, COD, BOC, AOB, all those. Okay, so there are already 8 triangles with a square. Okay, so inside. Okay, so this much if you understood, click on the yes icon. Okay, so before I continue with the other triangles, because later I do not want you to get confused. Okay, so because of the square with the diagonals, there are already 8 triangles. Okay, so if you understood this much, you click on the yes icon. Okay, so now I'll go deep inside. Okay, so one by one. So I will label the other diagram. This is P, Q, R, yes. Okay, and E, F, G, H. Okay, so I have labeled other things. So now carefully see what I will do. So there are triangles over here where I am marking 1, 2, 3, 4. Carefully see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I will write here 8 triangles. 8 triangles. The two triangles at the corners. Okay, so I have marked 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, those are the small triangles, small triangles which are present at the corners. Okay, so this much is simple and easy. Okay, so next what I'll do, I will mark other triangles. Okay, so what are other triangles? I will show over here using what color? I will take green color. Okay, so where are other triangles? I will show you the other triangles. Okay, so which I'll mark using green color. Okay, 8, 9, 10, 11. So what is that? Those are my triangles over here, which I'm using my green color. Okay, which I'm using my green color. Okay, so there I have marked. Okay, sorry, this is 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, green color 9, 10, 11, 12. So 4 triangles, green color. Okay, so now, so there are some more triangles. Okay, so there are some more triangles which I will do again by making a new diagram. Okay, so I'll make again a new diagram so that you do not get confused. So new diagram like this. Okay, same labeling. Okay, everything is going to be the same as you can see from the previous diagram. So I'm just making new triangles I'm using here. So this was my A, B, C, D, P, Q, R, S. Then E, F, G, H. Okay, so what I'm doing here, I am marking this triangles. Okay, so how many? 4 triangles I have marked. Okay, so I'll put here 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so then 4 triangles at corners. What are those triangles? You can see the triangles DEF, FHC, HGB, and AEG. Okay, so those are my triangles at the corners. If you want, I will label them. So DEF. So FHC and GHB. So these are the 4 triangles at the corners. Okay, so if I missed something, you can definitely tell. Okay, so Divyesh is telling about ABD. Okay, so ABD, if you carefully see, ABD is over. You see, ABD is already part of my 8 triangles in a square with the diagonals. The first only I started with that. Okay, so apart from that, if you see any other triangles, so you can type and send in the chat. Okay, so everybody should type and send in the chat, including Rohan as well. After 5:30, you will get chance to speak. Okay, so now you have to type your doubt and send in the chat. Okay, so over here you can see 8 triangles due to square with diagonals. 8 triangles, the Chotu triangles which I marked at the corners. Then 4 green triangles. Okay, so there itself we have 8 plus 8, 16, 16 plus 4, 20. 20 plus this 4 additional red triangles. So total 24 triangles is what we have got. Okay, so Rohan is asking, where are the green triangles? So Rohan, you see where is the green color? In the diagram, where do you think is the green color? That is where the green triangles are. Okay, so the green triangles, if you want me to label, so this is your, I'll mark this as X and Y. So this is your AEX, AXG, FYC, and YCH. Okay, so did you get, Rohan, the 4 green triangles which are there in the green color? You see, I have made it very simple. I have just put the name of the color itself. If you carefully notice the diagram, if you can identify the color, okay, you should definitely be able to understand. Okay, so if anybody else has anything, okay, you can definitely tell. Okay, so here, unfortunately, okay, you have to, whenever there are triangles is there, okay, so you have to do this if the formula cannot be applicable directly. Okay, so there are some questions where the formula is applicable directly. Okay, that is question number 6. Okay, you see question number 6. Okay, so question number 6, same diagram. Okay, same diagram, question number 6. So you have to find the number of squares. So I'll show you question number 6. Okay, so you see here, same diagram. You should find the number of squares in the figure. So what do you think should be the answer? Okay, question number 6. So I will launch the poll. So here you can use your formula and solve. Okay, see, there are some questions which are very simple where you can use the formula. You want me to help? I can help. Type 2. So look at the question. Type 2. Apply type 2. Get the number of squares. Okay, so let us see at least now how many of you can get this question. Okay, so type 2 you have to put and solve. So we are interested in this. This is my rectangle which I have marked 4 into 2 rectangle. So M is 4, N is 2. Okay, so you put the formula and solve. Okay, so this is our formula. And it goes so on. So 4 into 2 plus 4 minus 1. So 2 minus 1. 4 minus 2. Then 2 minus 2. You should completely keep on solving. So 4 2s are 8. 8 into this 3. Okay, 8 plus. So 3 into 1 plus 2 into 0. So if you see this, 8 plus 3 plus 0. So which turns out to be 11. But if you look at our options, there is no such option called 11. Then what are we missing? So open your eyes and see carefully. In the middle itself, there is one big square. Okay, your formula plus common sense will help you solve. Okay, so 11 squares due to our formula, and there's one big square, big special square, diamond shaped or rhombus shape or whatever you can call it as. Okay, so 11 plus 1. So total, there are 12 squares. Okay, so and if we look at the poll result, okay, so many of you did not vote yet. Okay, but whoever has voted, 70% of you have selected the correct answer. Okay, so that is option A. Okay, so option A is our correct answer. So sixth question. Correct answer is option A. Okay, fifth question. Question number 5. Just now we solved. 24 is the answer. Okay, you see question number 5. So we solved here. So what is the answer? You carefully see here. Okay, so all these triangles, if we add, question number 5, our answer is 24 triangles. Okay, question number 5 is this. Question number 6 we solved in the worksheet itself. Okay, so question number 5, answer is 24. Question number 6, answer is 12. So we'll solve one more. Okay, so we'll solve very simple, very easy. Okay, so we'll solve this question number 7. Okay, so simple, straightforward, no formula, nothing. Just common sense. Okay, so let us see if you can solve this. Question number 7. Look at the figure and you select the correct answer. So what I will do, I will launch the poll. I will relaunch the poll. So let us see if you can get this. Question number 7. Okay, if you want, I will just magnify this so that you can see it properly. I hope now you can see properly with the options. Okay, question number 5. You just simply have to count by looking at the figure. No formula, nothing. Okay, so just your eyes, with your eyes, look at the figure. Okay, and common sense, you just count. Okay, and you will get your answer. And you can select your answer from the poll. Okay, so last 10 seconds. So another 18 students have to vote. Okay, you can just quickly vote. So you want help? See, I can help. You see here like this, you can count. Okay, you can see the diagram and you can count how many squares are there. Okay, this is square 1, this is square 2, and here I have square 3. Okay, so 3 squares over, and do not forget the inner squares, which is like this. This is square 4 and the inner square 5. Okay, so total how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so which is nothing but your option D. Okay, so if you carefully look at the figure, you will get to know the answer. Very simple, very easy. Okay, so do not miss out on such simple questions. Okay, so and around 90% of you have selected correctly. Okay, so 93% of you. Okay, so very nice. So I will give you one more such simple question. Okay, so where you just have to plainly use your common sense and solve. Okay, so I'll give you one more such question. So let us see this question number 14. So this is my diagram. Circle. How many circles are there in this figure? So look at the figure. Simple question. I will again launch the poll and you can select your answer from the poll. So let us see how many of you will identify the number of circles. So there are some very easy questions as well. Okay, so do not miss out on such easy questions. Okay, if you're unable to figure out, so at least draw the diagram again. So draw the rough diagram and you will be able to understand how many circles are there. Okay, so you want help? I can definitely help. So always start from the outside circle. Okay, so you see here, I will do, okay, so this outside circle like this. So this is my outside circle 1. And this is my inside circle 2. Okay, so 2 circle. Okay, outside circle and inner circle. Okay, now. So look at the other circles. I have 1 circle here. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and 6 circles, which is inside. Okay, so over. So these are the points A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay, so these are my 6 circles. So which are there inside. Okay, and what are the 2 circles? The outer boundary as well as the inner boundary, which I have shown here right in front. Okay, so 6 plus 2. So total, there are 8 circles. So where is the option of 8 circle? So that is there in my option number 3. Okay, so question number 14. So I have marked option 3. Okay, and if you look at the poll also, so majority of you have got it correct. Again, around 90% of you have selected the correct answer. Okay, so that is option C, having 8 circles. Okay, so the questions are simple enough. There are some questions which are challenging. Okay, but please solve all the questions. Okay, so it will, first of all, it will improve your patience. Second of all, it will help your thinking capacity. Okay, so counting of figures is a very challenging topic where you have to patiently sit and explore the options. Okay, you have to count. It will take time. Okay, so that is why I told it will build your patience. Okay, and second of all, it will help improve your thinking skills. Okay, looking at the diagram, how many ways you can find out the triangles or the squares or the rectangles. Okay, so hence, so practice more such questions. Okay, so there's so many questions out there. Okay, so and we will also solve these questions in the upcoming classes. Okay, so now I'll just quickly come back to our this notes. Okay, so I will run to the next part. Okay, so that is the add activity. Okay, and then we can go for the quiz. Okay, so what is the add activity? So I will run the audio. Okay, so I'll play the audio. So let us see if you can identify this add. Okay, so the add has a very good meaning. So let us see if you can identify it. So you must have seen this in the TV. Okay, especially now since all your IPL matches are happening. Okay, so you should be able to identify this ad. So very nice. So that was the ad. So I just want to ask you, what did you understand from this ad? Okay, so let us see your opinions. Okay, so that was the ad from Horlicks, like very, very nice ad. Okay, with a strong message. Okay, so but what exactly did you understand from this ad? Okay, so let us see your opinion. Okay, you can type and send it to me in the chat. Okay, Shreya says attention. Naina says if you want, we can do it. Vishal says always observe things in life. Prajwal says observation skills. So Divya says time flows very quickly. You have to learn. Okay, Rohita says we can do anything. Snehal says girls are never low. Fantastic. Okay, so because this was the ad. Okay, so it was targeted at the girls. Okay, so because in the society we always underestimate the girls. Okay, we think that girls cannot do things, okay, which is absolutely wrong. Okay, girls can do everything. Okay, everybody can do everything. Okay, so at least we should provide them an opportunity to do it. Okay, so especially the younger generation like you people, okay, can change this like gender inequality status in the society. Okay, so do not underestimate anybody. Okay, so and please give equal opportunity for girls as well. Okay, so everybody should get equal opportunity. Okay, all are equal. Okay, that ad is not only for girls. Okay, it is also for boys. Okay, do not think that only girl, okay, can do such things. Boys also should do. Everybody should do. Okay, it's not only for girls as such. Okay, no gender inequality. All are equal. Okay, so learn things. Okay, have a great observation. So over here, so all are equal. Okay, so girls should also be given opportunities. Okay, so do not underestimate girls. So I'll write here. So give equal opportunity to girls. Okay, so very nice. So that was the ad. Okay, so now I'm just running with a quiz. Okay, so we have this special quiz. Okay, so what is this quiz about? So I'm gonna share my screen. Okay, so and you will see the game pin. So enter this game pin. Okay, and join the quiz. Okay, so what is the topic? Surprise. Okay, so let us see who wins this quiz. So on your screen now, you can see the game pin. So enter this game pin and join the quiz. Okay, so very nice. So Divyesh has joined, Suraksha has joined, Adit, Preeti, everybody. Okay, so you can quickly enter this quiz. Okay, and enter this game pin and join the quiz. So this is a special quiz. What is it about? You will get to know once you join. Okay, so another 10 seconds. So please join quick. Okay, so some of you haven't joined. You can join in between as well. Okay, so it's I'm just running late. Okay, so I will start the quiz. You can join in between. Same game pin. Okay, the game pin is going to be the same. Okay, so now on your screen, question number 1. Okay, it's okay if you do not know this, but at least have a clever guess. Okay, so very nice, very nice. Most of you know this. Okay, so very good. I appreciate it. Okay, most of you got this correct, and Adit was quickest to answer. So moving on, question number 2. So hopefully you will get this question also correct. Okay, so very nice, very nice. It's very good to see that you know a lot about important things about our Gandhiji. Okay, so very good to see that. Okay, now Naina is leading the scoreboard. Okay, so question number 3. Okay, on your screen now. So last 5 seconds. Okay, so some of you got it wrong. Okay, some of you got it correct. Okay, it's very surprising to see that Gandhiji was never awarded the Nobel Peace Prize at all. Okay, so even now. Okay, so but hopefully, maybe in the future they would decide to consider Gandhiji's, contribution. So, anyways, so moving on, last question. Okay, so last but one question on your screen. Okay, so last 5 seconds. Okay, so Gandhiji returned to India from South Africa in the year 1915. Okay, so during the First World War, which was happening at that time. Okay, so anyways, so after this, Anaga is leading the scoreboard. Last question. I hope you know this as well. Okay, so there you go. Very nice. Okay, so most of you gave this correct. Okay, so most of you got this correct. Okay, so with this, we're gonna end. Okay, so we're gonna end this quiz. Okay, let us look at the results. So third position we have Sumit. Okay, so second position, so we have Preeti. Winner of today's quiz is Anaga. Okay, so congratulations. Okay, fourth position Divyash. Okay, fifth position Anushka. Okay, so very nice to see that most of you got all questions correct. Okay, so others also who got all questions correct. Okay, so congratulations to you as well. Okay, so with this we end the quiz. Okay, so but I will end the class, okay, with this video on Shastriji. Okay, so as I told, I will show you the video on Gandhiji as well as Shastriji. Okay, so and this is the video on Shastriji.
क्या कर रहा है?
ओपनिंग करने जा रहा हूँ।